how to log in into Etenet Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search URL type in Etenet Employee Login. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now you will be taken to this interface. Now head over to the first link that says Etene Login Employee Portal. That will direct you to login page. So first of all, you have to enter your Etene user ID. Make sure you enter your valid ID and under that enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link provided just on the login button that says forgot password. Click on that, follow some screen instructions and that will help you out to recover your password. Or if your account is locked, then you can also unlock your account by clicking on this link, unlock my account, and that will help you out to unlock your account. Or if you are new register or new user and haven't registered yet, there is an option as new user registration, and according to the position you have, you can select the registration process. And after you're done typing in the user ID and password, click on login button and on the next page, you will be successfully logged into your account if you have provided the correct login information. And that's how you can log in into Etenet Employee Portal. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.